SMP Nam Sankirtan is indeed blessed to perform the Akshaya Tritiya celebrations for the second consecutive year at the grand city of Chennai. Music, as all of us would know, is something that spread all over the country, everywhere where Sanatana Dharma is followed. But Chennai is the citadel of Carnatic classical music. And a few years back, when my Guruji, Swami Haridas Giri, who built the beautiful temple edifice in Tenangur, used to interact with many of us, the youngsters, he always felt Akshaya Tritiya was an event, which incidentally is the day Panduranga gave darshan to Pundalika. But unfortunately, in the southern part of this country, Akshaya Tritiya is known for buying gold and saris. And for a long time, we have been wanting to correct the situation and bring this event, Akshaya Tritiya, to Chennaiites in the form of bhakti and musical bliss. Last year, we commenced this journey, and this year, we continue the same. And today, we have two illustrious names in the Carnatic classical music fraternity, Dr. Lalita and Dr. Nandini, who themselves hail from a very illustrious family. Almost all the names of their forefathers are known to all of you for almost a century. And today, the youngsters here who are going to thrill you with the next 2 hours are not simple violinists. They are violinists who have not only taken Carnatic music to the outside world, but in a way have brought the outside music into the Carnatic fraternity. In fact, we were delighted yesterday when we recorded them for a TV channel for a 24/7 classical music, presently being broadcast from Bombay and around. I was reasonably thrilled that they not only did full justice to the tradition of Carnatic music, but they could show something far better, far higher. And my compliments to both of them. And I'm sure they would continue to take us into this musical journey for very many years to come. May I request Latika to kindly hand over a beautiful portrait of Lord Vittala to both of them. To Dr. Lalita first. Now to Dr. Nandini. Thank you all, and sit back and enjoy the good music. Thank you.
Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening, everyone. We are very, very happy to perform for SMP Nama Sankirtan, and we thank Ganesh Kumar ji for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to perform for this beautiful concept, Vithala Vithala Kirtan, on the eve of for Akshaya Tritiya. This concert, we have planned a number of themes because it deals not only with Vithala and the different forms of Krishna, which we will be showcasing in our concert today. As accompanist for today's evening's concert, we have Sridharan Shankaran on the Mridangam, Sri Mayavaram Venkatramani on Ganjira and Konokol, Sri G. Ravichandran on Ghatam, and Raghav on the Tambura. We will be beginning our concert with Moola Adhara Murti in the Raga Hamsadvani set to Aditalam, a composition of Sri Papanasam Shivan. Akshaya Tritiya and Ganesha have something in common. It was the day that Mahabharata was started to be written by Vedavyasa, by Lord Ganesha. So we thought it will be apt to begin our evening's concert with a composition on Lord Ganesha. Thank you.